Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Design with Maha. In today's vlog, we are going to look on to a new topic called lighting, which comes under the same software 3ds Max. So when we talk about lighting, where you can find it is towards the right side. Hope you can see this. We have the first thing where you will be using the standard primitive, and near that you have an option called shapes. And also near that you will have this bulb like icon which is called as light. When you click onto that, you will get three types of light which is called as object type. Those are target light, free light, and sun positioner. A target light is nothing but if you are going to just target one part of an interior or only one part of a product or maybe an furniture, whatever it is going to be, you can use this target light in order to target only that particular area. And the next thing is free light. A free light is nothing but you can take it wherever you want and you can place it wherever you need, and it is going to be an sort of free light which is handy and you can place it wherever you want. And the next thing, the sun positioner. From the name itself, we can tell that it is going to act as a sun base. Like for the whole house, you can put a sun positioner towards the top of a building so that the entire light will be split out equally towards all the side and all the dimension and towards all the equal parts of a building. Maybe it is going to be an interior or exterior, but the sun positioner will act as an equal basis of sunlight. And also, the other important thing is, as we are going to talk about target light, free light, and sun positioner, these three types of lightings come under the particular topic called photometric. As you can see here, once you click onto this bulb object, this particular place will be converted as photometric. Under that, you have this object type, and we have three types of lighting. And also, when you click onto that, we have standard light. See, we have target spots, free spot, and many types of lighting over there. And also we have Arnold, other kind of lighting which we are going to cover in upcoming vlog. So today we are going to cover about photometric, which is considered as basic three types of lighting. Either you can use it for an interior or for an exterior of a building. So before that, what I'm going to do is I'm planning to create an TV cabinet. Okay, a simple TV cabinet, and we can place the lighting towards that. For that, what I'm planning to do is I'm just going to maximize my viewport and let me minimize my perspective and let me bring it towards the center. And now let me go for AEC extended and let me take this wall. Okay, I am just drawing one part of a wall like this and I'm giving escape to undo it. So control minus. So we have created an outer base in order to create a TV cabinet. Now what we are going to do is I am just going to use an standard primitive in order to create an box. And with the help of move tool, I am just going to put it towards the inward of my wall like this. This is where I am going to place my lighting, so that I am just going to place it towards the inwards of my wall. And let me go to my modify and let me check with my length, width and height. Okay. Now the box is placed properly. Now what I'm going to do is let me take another box where it should. Now let me take another box where it is going to act as an TV stand, which is going to hold your TV, which it is going to act as an TV stand. So let me draw another wall over here, another box over here. Let me bring it towards the front. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is let me use my modifier and let me check with my length, width and height. So yeah, we have created an base stand in order to place our TV inside it. So as for TV, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my plain option and I'm just going to place it over here, or you can also go for the box option. Whichever you want, it is fine. Or let me do it with the box itself. And let me use my rotation tool in order to rotate it and place it inside my wall. So let me bring it towards inwards. Now as you can see, we have created an TV cabinet with the help of wall tool which comes under AEC extended, and also we have used box tool and we have created an top view and an framework for an TV, and also an simple cupboard like structure for an bottom part of an TV cabinet. Or if you want, you can also go for extrude polygon and you can give the types of boxes in order to create a cabinet inside it. I'm just making a rough model sketch. So what we are going to do is, let me go for my material editor, and as you can see I have few materials previously inside the material editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this particular picture and put it over here so that this particular box will be appeared as in TV structure. So this particular box will act as an TV structure inside the TV cabinet. And also if you're going to create some interior of a bedroom and if you want to put some photo frames of yourself, you can just bring the pictures like this and you can directly import it inside. And for the background of the wall, I'm just going to use this particular picture. Okay, I am just using this particular picture, and for the top and bottom view, let me use this particular color. So as you can see, we have created this TV cabinet with the help of with the help of box and also with the help of wall. And also if you want this particular pattern to be scaled properly, what you can do is, as we covered in the previous vlog, you can go for convert to editable poly, and under modifier list we will be choosing this option called UVW map. So under UVW map we are going for gizmo and immediately go for the scale tool, and however you want the wall pattern to be, you can scale it accordingly like this. As you can see, you can scale it accordingly. Whichever is feasible for you, you can go and work it on it accordingly. Okay. So now we are going to move on to the main important aspect of today's video, which is nothing but lighting. So let me show you. Before we give on to the lighting techniques, let me give an plane below the TV cabinet. So as you can see, we have given an plane below the TV cabinet so that the lighting techniques will be given properly. Let me go to the material editor, and I'm just using the same color for the bottom part also. Okay, now as you can see, we have given a particular TV cabinet structure over here. Now what we are going to do is, let me restore my viewport and let me show you the important aspect and lighting technique. Now as you can see, this is where you can find this lighting option. You can click on to this. Under photometric, you will have target, free light and sun positioner, as I told you previously. So now we are going to use free light. So as soon as you click onto this free light, you will get this particular photometric light creation dialog box. Just give an S over here. And now click the light. So when you do click on to the light, you can never see some kind of lighting techniques over here. If you want your light to be visible, what you have to do is, here you have this particular option called standard and perspective view. Near this perspective, you have this particular option called standard. Click on to that, and there you will have an option called lighting and shadows. Go to that. So see, defaultly it is like illuminate with default light. But what you have to tick is illuminate with scene light. When you do click onto this, automatically you can see this lighting technique. See, when I do drag this lighting towards above, hope you people can see it. This is how your lighting technique is going to work. Wherever you want, you can place your lighting according towards this particular corner. Or let's say I have created it over here, right? So if I do want this particular lighting to be placed inside my top view of the TV cabinet, I can just place it over here like this. So the lighting will be given to that particular area alone. So once you have given to this, you can go to this modify option, and here in the parameters below you can see this light properties. It is an off. Sorry, it is an on option. So as you can see, the lighting is an on option, so the light is visible. Or if you want this particular free light to be changed into targeted light, you can click on to targeted, so that you can target one particular zone alone. And also you have shadows. If you want the shadow, you can click on to that, or you can also go for global settings, and there are many other options inside it. Now there is one interesting feature over here. Here you can see the intensity color, right? So as for the color, it is given as white. So the lighting is white. If you want the color to be blue, or let's say if you want the color to be kind of yellow, when you click on to this, the lighting colors will be changed into an mild yellow. Let me show you. See, like this. Hope you people can see inside the screen itself. Or let's say if it's going to be a green light, or it's going to be a kind of blue light, here you can adjust however you want your lighting to be. Or if it's going to be kind of yellow, red, or however you want, you can adjust the lighting accordingly. But this is how your lighting technique is going to work in common. Let's say I'm just going to give some kind of yellow light effect. Maybe if the scene is going to be in night time, or if you're creating some interior of a room which is going to cover some night view inside it, you can go for this kind of lighting. This will be similar for all the three types of light, target and sun positioner. You can just go to the same property view and you can show. If the light is going to go out, you can see the entire scene is getting dark. When you get the light inside, automatically you can see the lighting technique. So this is how we are going to create the lighting technique inside the interior or exterior of a building. The principles and techniques are all going to be similar, but the only thing is free light is wherever you want, you can take it handy and you can place it wherever you need with the colors. Target light is when you're going to target one particular part or one particular furniture or one particular product, the target light is going to work like that. Or if it's going to be a sun positioner, you can place it wherever you want for the entire building or for the entire house. However you want, you can place it, but the properties and the techniques are going to be similar. Make sure that this particular aspect is in user defined. Okay, you have to go for lighting and shadows, and there you will have to click on to this particular thing, illuminate with scene light. Defaultly it will be given as illuminate with the default light. When you give on to that, you cannot visibly see the lighting differences. So do tick with illuminate with scene light, so that this will automatically change into user defined, and after that you can definitely see this lighting technique. So maybe however, whichever angle you go, see the lighting is covered within inside only. When you do bring this lighting towards outward, let me show you. See, when we do bring this light towards outward, the outer part of the area will be highlighted. Because there is a free light, wherever I take it, that particular part will be highlighted. But when you do use a target light, you can target for this entire room, so the lighting will be splitted evenly. So this is how the lighting technique is going to work for either interior or exterior of a building. Okay guys, we have come to end of today's vlog. Hope you people found it interesting and educative too.